It is a beautiful new day here on the farm, and Matthew is out here building toys. I'll show you that in a minute. So the dog has been sick, and we kind of know what's going on. I'll let him tell you more about that. But anyway, right now he's building toys, and I'm trying to like get a couple of things done because there's never any time. You're building.
I am building a workshop.
Ha, that's funny because you're building a thing for building.
And then I'm going to make a basketball hoop.
Oh my goodness, the kids got so much stuff for Christmas. The cat is helping.
I'm going to make a nap.
A nap?
A nap.
A nap? How come you get to take a nap?
Because reasons.
Not fair at all. Building this, and then there's a basketball hoop that still has to be built. Yeah, we haven't put together everything the kids got for Christmas yet because there was just so much of it. Look at all these cats. We have so many animals. We have so many animals. I love it. Do you ever think that you'd have this many animals?
Never, ever, ever.
Do you blame me for it?
100%.
Thank you. You're nice. Also, you're wearing a Star Trek uniform. He wore this to the vet today with the jacket, and it was hilarious. You need to put the jacket back on so they get the full effect.
It's in my office. You have to get it. I'm building a thing.
Okay, fine. So this uniform was a gift from the Walkers. I bet they never thought he'd just like wear it randomly some days or all the time. He uses this as his jacket. He also wears this uniform out as his daily clothes.
There's some days you have to dress for the job you want.
You do it as often as possible?
Yes. It's not supposed to. I guess it just. Well, actually,
hey,
any holes there.
Ouch. I realized the other day I didn't have rain boots, so I went to Target and I bought these, and they look like paddock boots, but they're rubber boots. They're amazing. $25. I'm pretty excited about it. They're playing Harry Potter over there. You got 2 sticks? Is that your magic wand? You just see a bug over there?
Yeah, it's a big one.
Are you scared of it?
No, I'm not.
Oh, good. You shouldn't be scared of bugs.
Yeah, I'm not stepping on it.
Oh, good. We shouldn't step on bugs either.
Yeah.
Oh, he's still alive. You know what that is? It's a cricket. Watch, he can jump really well. We can make him jump. Whoop. Whoop. You see him jumping?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Right?
You know what else he can do?
Yeah.
He can sing.
Anything.
He rubs his legs together, and it makes a pretty song. And he goes squeak, 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 squeak. It's real sweet.
Cookie.
Squeak, squeak.
Where's the bug?
I don't know, he's probably hiding. You know why? Because to him, you look like a giant. And he's scared of you because you look so big. Do you think if you saw a giant, you would be scared?
Yeah, I can have a monster.
You're not a monster.
I'm intending to be a monster.
Oh, but if you saw a big giant, would you be scared?
Well, no, I'll fight it.
You would fight it? You wouldn't be scared?
I would fight it with my door.
What if it was really a nice monster who thought you were a cute little bug?
Yeah, Mommy. Yeah.
Would you still fight
Yeah,
it?
Mommy. Yeah. Yeah,
You
Mommy.
would?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. No, thank you, buddy.
Can I help you?
Can I help? So I think there's a good chance that this horse, assuming we get back the results of her PSSM1 genetic testing and it's clear, this one may go on a breed lease and go have a baby, which would be amazing. And I will let you know more about that later. I really, really, really want to breed this one to a fancy little Welsh pony too, because she's a fancy little Welsh pony. And if she was bred to another fancy little Welsh pony that was slightly bigger, then we'd get our next size up. It'd be amazing. Sometimes when you live on a horse farm, you fall in an ant pile, so you have to finish barn chores without your pants on. Yeah, he fell in a pile of ants, so he had to take his pants off.
And the boot and the dogs.
Yeah, they had ants all over him. We don't want him to get bitten by ants, do we?
No.
That would be bad. Fire ants in
Mommy.
January.
Mommy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, hey. You come back here, sir. We're not going to run around the farm with no clothes on. That is not what we do during the winter. Come here. This is terrifying.
It's fun because he has that look of. Yeah. Yeah.
Again, he says.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bye. Thank you.
Mommy, I made those 3 things for the ant.
You mean? Oh, look at that.
So apparently he fell into an ant pile and had to get those shoes and pants off real quick, so I had to come get him. Hey, hi. Yeah? I don't know.
And once again, Catherine saves the day. Trees?
No, little cheese.
A little, oh, the cheese! I remember. I'll have to get those. I'm sorry, I just couldn't figure out why we were talking about cheese. I just picked up the kids from school and we are at Starbucks for a special treat because I felt like it. Deal with it. It's okay. All right, what'd you guys get? Is that a strawberries and cream frappuccino? Is it yummy? Oh boy. What, you want to see what I have? Because you can't. They're for later.
They're for later.
They're for later. They're for later, later.
Do a dance.
Yeah, sort of. Oh, how does he do it? The Elijah Wood on Yo Gabba Gabba where he does the raise your foot, raise your other foot, raise your foot, raise your other foot. It's the puppet master.
Do the puppet master. I don't remember.
If you've never watched Yo Gabba Gabba, you're missing out. It's a kid's show, but it's amazing. Are you picking your nose? Ew, yucky. This is one of those like run from place to place to place kind of days. I went and got the girls, and now I gotta go get the dog. Gotta get the dog. Where are we going? Get your finger out of your nose. Take your finger out of your nose.
Dog.
Yeah, to get the dog. We're gonna go get Andre? Yeah, we'll go get him though. Oh, and there's Lady. Look, she's so little. Little. Did we get Andre? Good job. Ready to go home? Oh, the sun is terrible. What is this? We have successfully retrieved the dog, as you saw, and we are headed home. It is really bright. I want Nana too, baby boy. Andre, come. Let's go. You want me to open the other door for you, don't you? Lazy.
They coming.
Come on. Yay, Andre. Is he a good dog?
Mommy, it's rock.
Go eat, buddy. There's snow, maybe. I'm sorry I haven't really had time for riding, both for you and for me, because I wish I could. And also, everybody's just kind of muddy right now eating their food. You guys are so used to seeing me ride and do horse things, and that's not as much of a chunk of my time anymore with the kids here and everything, but I'm hoping that I can slowly get back to it. It's just being kind of crazy. I'm also like about to massively downsize, it sounds like. I say massively, 2 horses. Because if Gracie heads to be bred, Ella's owners also talked to me about bringing her home, which is a bummer. But I completely understand because she's been here a long time and I haven't had the time to mess with her lately, and I'm just really sad about the idea of her not being here. But it's not my horse, and she is well loved by many people, so I get it, I get it. It's just getting it doesn't make it any more fun. But yeah, so Gracie would be leaving Aunt Ella, and then I won't, for the first time in like ever, there won't be a single gypsy on property. Whoa. And here's the real place I spend all of my time, the car. I'm going back out to get dinner because Matthew was gonna cook, and then he remembered he had a meeting he had to do, and so nobody wants me to cook. Nobody wants me to cook, so I'm gonna run out and get dinner. But all I feel like I've done today is drive back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. I just saw a sign and it said leader operator, but I totally read it as leader potato. I would like to be a leader potato, please. It's a really pretty fog rolling in. It's quite pretty, I like it. Foggy day ponies, there's Lady. And there's Gracie and Stroker. Stroker is scratching his belly. He looks so funny. What are you doing, horse? No, don't worry. This is him scratching his belly. He can get up. He's fine. Just looks funny. Silly old horse.
My hair is so beautiful today. What do you think? I wish I had a bow I could put in my hair.
He's doing a chicken dance.
What are you wearing on your head today? Now put that over your bowl.
Did you seriously just offer to put kimchi on my eggs and toast?
I didn't say we put it on your eggs and toast. I just said when on a pork roll we have kimchi. I'm just saying as a substitution, not for on it, but to the side.
You're gross.
You could have some eggs and toast and kimchi.
Daddy's making me some food. We were gonna have fajitas, but then we ran out of time and then we just didn't do it.
Lazy!
Mostly I just didn't want to clean up behind it.